Why is Gestalt language processing important for autistic learners? Imagine hearing a phrase like, "want some juice," and knowing exactly what it means without breaking it down into individual words. That's the power of Gestalt language processing. It's a way many autistic people learn and use language that feels natural to them. Instead of starting with single words and building up, they often learn language in larger chunks or complete phrases. This method matches how they process communication daily. Many autistic learners relying on memorizing whole phrases like "good morning" or "I want that," and use these in conversations. This is called echolalia when they repeat phrases they have heard before. They might also script, which means using familiar dialogues from shows or routines. Recognizing these as part of their language journey helps us see their communication as meaningful, not as a problem to fix. Using meaningful phrases helps them communicate in real-life situations. For example, instead of trying to piece together the phrase, "I want to go outside," they might simply say "outside now" or "want outside." This makes it easier for them to express what they need or feel. It also connects language to what they experience every day, like routines, songs, or interactions. As they grow, their language can become more flexible. They might start with memorized phrases and gradually learn to create their own sentences. This development is natural and supports their ability to adapt language to different situations. Understanding this helps teachers and therapists support each learner at their stage. They can focus on building from the phrases the learner already knows, rather than forcing them to use only isolated words. Supporting Gestalt language processing also respects neurodiversity. It shows that their way of learning language is valid and effective. Instead of trying to correct their communication, we can build on what they already do well. This creates a positive environment where they feel understood and supported. In practice, this means designing speech therapy that uses familiar phrases and routines. It involves using songs, stories, and everyday interactions to introduce language chunks. Recognizing echolalia and scripting as steps in learning helps us avoid unnecessary corrections. Working with families to find meaningful phrases from home routines makes the learning more relevant and effective. Overall, Gestalt language processing is key because it aligns with how many autistic learners naturally acquire language. It supports early communication, helps them connect words to their world, and guides us in providing respectful, helpful support. Knowing this helps educators and therapists create environments where autistic students can thrive socially and verbally.